Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Harrison Rabi. On this channel, I film content really around education and lifestyle, and today this is more of a lifestyle video, a tour. I'm currently at the Embassy Suites by Hilton at USF, that's University of South Florida. I'm staying here for the night because I'm traveling tomorrow. And so I'd like to give you guys a tour. So I've previously given a tour of the Embassy Suites in Woodland, Texas. And so this time I'm giving you in Tampa, Florida. And so yeah, let's get into it. So start off by the entrance. Is your entrance door, and when you enter you find your living area with your couches, the lamp, stool, artwork on the background, and you have a TV here, a dining set or a work table, whatever you want to use it as. Then you come over to this little workway that has the kitchenette. So you have your microwave and some drawers, you have your coffee supplies, you have your faucet, the fridge. When you turn, you see the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Yeah, just a regular bathroom. Your supplies, your toilet, and the bath with the shower. And then we enter into the room where you see the closet, mirror here is my box, my laptop, my bags. Here you have your bed with two lampstands again and a lamp that has no bulb. Then you have a TV and more storage. This overlooks to the outside, but it's night now. I'll show you guys in the morning. That's basically the room tour. Like I said, I did a tour of the Embassy Suite at Woodlands. Please go and watch it. I personally prefer that to the one in Tampa or the one at USF. I feel like it was more luxurious. Same price, but more luxurious. This is a non-smoking room, but I feel like I can still perceive smoke. When you lodge here, you get complimentary breakfast, which I'll be getting tomorrow morning. And you also get like happy hour, but I missed my happy hour today. It ends by 7:30. I was busy because I was packing. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We do tours like this, but I also do vlogs. So if you want to know more about the reason why I'm here, there's a vlog coming out. So subscribe. And I do educational content really surrounding graduate school because I'm a PhD candidate, and also sustainability education content in the form of a podcast. If you check this channel, you see a podcast called Sustainability Nugget. So please subscribe because they're just variety of content for you to enjoy and learn from. So until next time, continue to live consciously, and I see you guys in my next tour.